Hi there, welcome to my open house at 2154 Grand in Ventura. Come on in and have a look. This home is a beautifully remodeled 4-bedroom. Beautiful wood floors throughout, crown molding, recessed lighting, curved doorways. Pride of ownership really shows in this house. Everything has been meticulously done. From the baseboards to the crown molding. You have this gorgeous kitchen with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, lots of cupboard space, a desk area for working from home. You've got a very convenient laundry room located right off of the kitchen. The living room has a gas fireplace. The first bathroom has a tub and a shower with a pedestal sink. You've also got a great linen closet right here, plenty of storage up above the home. The fourth bedroom is being used as an office. All of the bedrooms have ceiling fans. This one has a Jack and Jill type setup with a shared bathroom with a shower. Walk-in closets with plenty of storage. And the master has a raised ceiling. And a jet tub with a shower and a large walk-in closet. This door leads to the outside deck with a spa and this large fenced-in yard. All of this for only $700,000. You have a detached garage. Come on by.